Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little day to night get ready to me because I have an engagement event that's happening tonight. So with two of my good friends. So I'm gonna go from this look that I wore earlier today and kind of spice it up for the night. For the event, we have to wear all black, so I'll show you my outfit. I'll just kind of like touch up my hair as well, and then we will just show you the process. Okay, so I have about 30 minutes to get ready. I'm gonna start with some Pedialyte just to hydrate because I'm gonna be doing some drinking tonight. So I'm gonna be responsible and hydrate, okay? I got the little packets from the store that you just put in your water.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
Okay, so this camera is precariously perched on the faucet. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm going to start with foundation. So I already have, I have some eyebrows on. I have a little bit of eyeliner. I got a little bit of mascara. We're a little bit shiny. So let's just go ahead and take care of that. I'm just gonna start by blotting a little bit. Just blotting. Just blotting. I do not have foundation on. So I'm going to put foundation on. FYI, and I'm gonna remove this lip as well. Oh, see, precariously perched. Precariously perched. Okay, I think this is better. Let me rub this on. Okay. Foundation, we're gonna use the Rubbed Off Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm in the shade Deep Spice. This is 7W1. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a beauty sponge. I'm just gonna use a cosmetic sponge.
How does that?
We have guests. We have guests in the room. Okay. Covering this is like a hack freaking fast makeup job. But we're just doing what we need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on. Really my main concern, because it's gonna be like, nighttime lighting. So, you don't need to like, if you're in a rush, which I am, because we're meeting with some friends before. You don't really need to go freaking crazy because like the light is very forgiving in the evening. At least it is for me. I was gonna wear some false lashes, but I don't think that I'm going to because I just don't feel like doing all that. Okay, so foundation is done. I just need to touch up a little portion of my eyebrows. You can see right here. I'm just gonna touch a couple areas up. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the eyebrow stuff that I'm using is the Micro Ink Pen by L'Oreal. So good. It's a recent discovery. It's like a felt tip little pen, kind of similar to the Glossier one, but it's not like, you see these little ridges. It has ridges in it too, which is pretty cool. Love this. Okay. I had to go run and get my lipstick because it was in my purse. So I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Madrid. Madrid. Let me see my husband being loud back there, child. This is a real life get ready with me. These people be putting all these cute little things up on YouTube. This is real life. So I think when this dries, I'm gonna go over and do another coat. Honestly, I really do not even feel like doing a whole bunch. Like, I'm just so lazy, and you know, I'm just ready to have fun. So let me just beef up my eyeliner actually. Okay, this is a very oldie but goodie. I'm just using the e.l.f. liquid liner. So I don't even think I want to touch up my mascara, honestly. Like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and beef this up. Okay, got a little wing liner going. Let me put some highlight on and bronzer on, and really I think like that's just gonna be it, you guys. Like, I'm not even trying to be doing the most tonight. Oh, in this highlighter, I'm using Becca Topaz highlighter. So, the mascara, I used two. That I use CoverGirl Lash Blast, and I also use L'Oreal Telescopic. I don't even know where it went, but it's around here somewhere. L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat of lips, and I do my makeup like all out of order, y'all. All out of order. So we're just doing what we do. Okay, I'm just gonna blend everything out. I take the sponge that I use with my brush. Or excuse me, the sponge that I use with my foundation, and I just kind of blend everything together just to make sure, you know, we look good, nice and blended. And this is the bronzer that I used, the Makeup Revolution Glows Blender Ultra Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep. This is also a recent purchase, and I love it. So I'm gonna take my lipstick with me just in case. Throw on a little bit of more fragrance. This is called Sexy Amber. It's like a fragrant body oil that I love. I'll take this also with me. Give me a little Pedialyte. Let's talk about my outfit. The kimono like blazer is from Pretty Little Thing. These earrings are from Target that I got. These two necklaces are from Amazon. This is from Target. My nail polish is Essie. And my hair is Kinkistry. I have a video on this that I'll link down below. And I'll show you my whole outfit in a minute.